In a time of global production, companies employing hard-working people make the products that define what it means to be truly American. Join me as we visit American manufacturing sites creating the most amazing products to learn how things get made. America's steel industry is among the cleanest and most sustainable steel industries in the world. It is essential to progress in America and provides well-paying jobs to many while continuing to innovate and reduce its carbon footprint. Today, steel is part of many aspects of our daily lives. It's in our cars, our homes, our offices. It's used to build bridges, fix roads, construct high-rise buildings, and more. Global production of crude steel has more than doubled in recent decades, and end market demand is expected to continue to increase. As the U.S. steel industry grows, it creates more American jobs and reduces reliance on steel imported from other countries. Founded in 1973, CSC is a service-oriented steel engineering and manufacturing company.
So Michael, tell me what CSC is.
CSC is one of the large manufacturers of steel joists and deck in the U.S.
What we're looking at right now is the steel joist, correct?
Right, these are our open web steel joists. They're all custom designed. It's a very highly engineered product.
What's fascinating in engineering is the variety of projects that we see every day from different sizes, types, and complexities, and each one comes with a unique challenge.
Every project's different for sure. Every joist design is custom based off of the layout and the loading requirements. We touch small joists from less than 10 foot, and we touch big stuff, 200 plus foot long, bolted splice type assemblies. So we see a wide variety of projects and requirements we're able to ultimately design and fabricate.
When the job is kicked off, initially our drafting and engineering team, we're looking at anything that stands out to us that would be an initial question that would, hold up the overall design of our special work. Trying to get those RFIs out as quickly as possible. We also go through an approval review where we're sending out our drawings with any maybe additional questions that we may have. That's being reviewed by the general contractor, it's reviewed by the engineer of record, potentially in some cases the architect of record. In addition to that, with the kind of the newer 3D modeling and doing the BIM process, getting more into the nitty-gritty and looking at any kind of clashes that other trades may have with our joist designs.
The company takes part in thousands of projects each year, ranging from large distribution centers and high-rise building structures to small retail centers.
Our projects range from less than 1 ton total, so I mean you're talking about a little like a fast food type of building. We touch multiple thousands of tons, warehouse size type projects, and then we also touch schools and churches and stadium type projects as well. So I mean, the application of joists is certainly wide in the industry for sure.
In the collaboration efforts, you're trying to keep in mind every trade, working together, where it's MEP, whether it's steel fabricators, whatever it may be, you're trying to look into the collaboration of that and what's going to be the most cost-effective to the owner and what's also going to be the most effective and most efficient across the board. So a lot of that comes through the different approval processes we have, the BIM coordinations and everything that we go through on that side.
These are not small buildings, these are massive, aren't they?
Some of these joists are 120 feet long, weigh several tons apiece. That span across the entire building, because these buildings need to have wide open spans for all the operations that are going inside.
And all of these joists, they're built in America.
Yeah, we have 6 plants throughout the U.S. All of our products are built in the U.S. using domestic steel.
CSC will purchase steel from American steel mills in order to manufacture joist and decks for often complex projects.
You know, it kind of feels like we're on the set of a sci-fi movie. This is so cool. What do you find most fascinating about this procedure?
This project particularly, just the magnitude and the scale. You've got members themselves, joist girders that are 120 feet long, 10 tons apiece once they're put together and put in the air. And then just the sheer magnitude of the project. It's 15,000 tons. If you think about it, the Brooklyn Bridge weighs 15,000 tons.
Tell me about the partnership it takes to put together a massive structure like this.
Our products are custom designed components of a building system. So every product is designed uniquely. So when we have a customer that will work with us through the sales and engineering and project management phases and collaborate, it really allows for both us and our partner to have a much better experience. And it allows us to be more efficient with the design, which at the end of the day saves them money, and the process just goes much smoother. So we love partnerships.
Non-residential construction, particularly warehouses and manufacturing facilities, have seen a boom. This economic boost is expected to add millions of good-paying jobs over the next decade.
We see manufacturing coming back to America that requires a lot of structures to be built. We see e-commerce continue to grow, which requires distribution centers. As AI becomes bigger, more and more data centers are needed, and schools are constantly being built as the population shifts around and need to be replaced. So there's a lot of opportunity for structures in the near future, and we're excited to be a part of them. And we take pride in the fact that not only are we creating jobs in building these structures, but they will advance American infrastructure going forward.
So amazing how we contribute to the America's development, seeing our buildings everywhere, stadiums, schools, see our products on those type of buildings and contributing to that, to the growth of the industry.
I love that I'm a part of not only locally, but across the nation, and just knowing that I'm building things that are for companies that may be for families, and it just kind of gives me pride to see that as I'm driving around and seeing what's being created, and just the overall impact that we're having.
It's the greatest country on earth, so to be able to be a part of that and participate in that is a wonderful feeling for sure.
It's really neat to see be anywhere in America and be able to see your product and being an integral part of structures and building the infrastructure that continues to develop in America as society advances. And there's a great sense of pride in seeing that we actually designed and produced something that contributes to society.
CSC, you're looking at it. American steel, recycled and sustainable. Best of all, built in America.